Hi guys, I'm Edraline and welcome back to my channel, and I do interior design related vlogs, and welcome to my interior design journey. So for this vlog, I'm sharing to you guys tips and advices for incoming interior design students or currently an interior design student. So let's start with tip number 1. So my tip number 1 is enjoy the process. Enjoy mo lang yung matututunan mong bago kasi in the near future magagamit mo siya. And based sa experience ko kasi, katulad ngayon nagsistart na ako mag-design, naisip ko na, ay natutunan ko pala to before. Then for my tip number 2, be financially ready. Why be financially ready? To be honest, for me, magastos ang interior design. Especially sa drafting materials, I always base on the quality and the brand. Especially kung hindi ka pa marunong mag-render, mag-3D modeling, kasi may possibility na magpapagawa ka sa iba. So, tip ko din na sa first year pa lang, mag-aral ka na ng mga softwares para pag dumating yung subjects na required na yung digital render, digital perspectives, hindi ka na mangangapa, hindi ka na magpapagawa, and save din yun sa money. Ito na yung pinaka-importanting tip para sa akin is tip number 3, never cram. Why never cram? Kasi mahirap yung magpe-pressure ka sa pag-aaral na bakit kung isang araw di ko ginawa to? Bakit kahapon di ko sinimulan? Before ng deadline mo siya gagawin, yung the day before the deadline, sobrang hassle yun. Kasi pressured ka, magmamadali ka sa ganito, ganyan. Tapos ma-realize mo, may kulang ka palang material. Mahirap kasi yung gano'n. Do the step-by-step process. Kunyari, may perspective ka, then kailangan ng floor plan. Day number 1, kunyari, Monday, start with the floor plan, then day number 2, start with the box form. Step number 3, kung required kayo mag-ink, the next day, i-ink nyo na siya. The following days, i-render nyo siya dahil ang pinakamatagal na process is rendering. Challenging din yung rendering kasi mahirap magbawas pero madaling magdagdag. Right. Tip number 4 is never settle for less. Okay na yan. Bahala na yan. Basta pasado, okay na. Huwag ganun kasi mahirap yung hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo. Nung ipapasa mo na hindi ka masaya, na-realize ko yun eh. Kasi may mga times na magpapasa lang ako kasi kailangan lang magpasa. Hindi ko iniisip na hindi ako naging masaya nung ginawa ko to kasi kinram ko nga. Huwag kayong magkakram talaga. My advice for that is always do your best. Masarap kasi sa pakiramdam na masaya ka dun sa ipapasa mo. Don't ever settle for less. Tip number 5, feed your mind. Example, sa umaga pagkagising, scroll your Pinterest for ideas, read interior design magazine, books, go to Fully Booked. There's a lot of books there. Go to book sales. If you have free time, go to your library at school. Read interior design magazines, books. Make this a habit every day. You will then know na meron kayong plate na papagawa sa inyo. Meron kayong idea. Tip number 6, play Blendoku. Available sa Google Play and App Store. It's a color scheme type of game na di mo maakalain na, ito pala, kasunod pala ng color na ganito, na malapit pala sila. It's continuation of my feed your mind every day. Tip number 7, if you're tired, feeling exhausted, take a break. Take care of your mental health. Yan kasi yung laging problema ng mga college students ngayon. Nade-depress sila dahil sa school. Prevention is better than cure. Treat yourself, have a free time, take a break. Number 8, expect sleepless nights. Take care of your health as well. Drink 8 glasses of water. Drink vitamins. Eat healthy. Huwag kayo magpapagutom, huwag magpapalipas. Just be healthy kasi health is wealth din eh. Kung hindi ka okay, syempre hindi ka makagawa ng plate. Madidelay at madidelay ka lang. Kaya always take care of your health. How to prevent sleepless nights? Never cram. Mas masarap matulog ng may bago yung deadline kaysa yung puyat ka nga, deadline for the next day, edi wala kang tulog, diba? Number 9, practice your drafting skills. Kasi challenging din yung pagdodrawing, lalo na kung biglang on the spot. Drawing mo ako ng ganito. Example sa mga magiging future client nyo, drawing mo ng ganito. Kasi hindi laging digitally kailangan yung mga drawings. So, kailangan may drafting skills din tayo. Number 10, know your material brands. Ewan ko bakit yung mga branded, kahit sobrang mahal, ang gaganda nila. I always look for the quality. 11, prepare drafting materials before starting. Mahirap kasi yung nagsistart ka na, tapos hanapin mo pa yung ganito. Time consuming. Tip number 12, make the most out of it. So, I asked one of my colleagues, hi Thea, this is your tip for interior design students or incoming interior design students. Always get inspiration. It's nice to have your own style, but experimenting with other styles helps more. Agree ako dyan. And another tip, before exams, gumawa na kayo ng reviewer. Huwag kayo yung babasa lang sa PowerPoint, books. Iba kasi yung visual writing. Iba kasi yung visual studying. I don't know why, but this is how I study. I write notes. Kasi mas naalala ko siya kapag sinusulat ko. May iba-iba naman tayong ways ng pag-aaral. Better take down notes. Another tip, hindi lahat ng nasa book ay dun lang kumukuha yung teachers ng question. Kaya kapag may discussion, take down notes din yung mga sinasabi ng profs. Kasi in the future, magagamit din natin yung mga tips nila. Sa mga interior design students dyan, magsumikap lang kayo. Kaya natin to. I'll be posting another vlog by next week. Because next week is our review classes for interior design licensure board exam. I can't even imagine na after 4 years, andito na ako, magre-review na ako. Nakakala ko hindi ko kaya, pero dito na pala ako. Share ko din sa inyo guys, why interior design? Why did I choose interior design? Actually, first option ko is multimedia arts, more on photography and videography kasi hobby ko yung taking photos, videos. Then inisip ko kasi na baka hobby ko lang siya. And second option is interior design. Why interior design? Kasi natutuwa ako sa Sims dati. Comment down below kung na-influence kayo ng Sims sa interior design. Then mahilig ako mag-download ng apps nung mga pagde-design ng bahay sa phone dati. Walang magawa, yun ginagawa ko. Then syempre naglaro akong Minecraft, creative lang. Nakatakot kasi yung survival, may mga zombies. Ang saya din mag-design sa Minecraft. So, that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching till the end. Sana na-inspire ko kayo to take up interior design. And if you have video suggestions, just comment down below. May vlog din akong gagawin. Share ko sa inyo yung drafting materials na gagamitin ko for review classes. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share and subscribe on my channel. And click the notification bell for you guys to be notified for new uploaded videos. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!